Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how you can use the multi-step cooking in the BEKO microwave BMG. In the first step, click on this button once. Now turn the knob time until you see the 5. Then press the microwave and turn the control knob to select it to the 80%. Then click on the start and turn the cooking time until you see the 7 minutes. Click on the start, and now we are using the multi-step cooking function so that the frosting is first. After that you're gonna hear the buzzer and the frost time countdown will start. Buzzer will sound once again. When entering the second cooking step, buzzer will sound for 5 times at the end of the cooking. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.